Sorry, Morgan. I forgot to turn off my enable waiting room.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Anyway, Morgan, I forgot to my Zoom Premium, so maybe I will leave at 9:30, and then I will back again. Morgan, is okay?
What? What?
I forgot to buy Zoom Premium. I
Oh,
forgot to so I will back 9:30. I will go back again.
mm, okay. So I
Uh,
join at
yeah, just like that.
mm, so I join at 8:30.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, can I start to share my screen, Morgan?
Mm-hmm.
Can I start to share my screen?
Yeah.
Wait. Mm, 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 mm. I think for today, just for a review about our past lesson about list, tuple, dictionary, and sets. Okay. Only four types of data have you studied in this module. List, tuples, dictionary,
Dictionary,
sets.
dictionary and
Sets.
what?
Uh,
Yes,
As you
that's
can
that's
see
that's.
here, yeah. As you can see here, list we have like square bracket, and then for tuples we have parentheses here, and then for dictionary we have key and value, and then for the bracket we use the curly braces. Okay. For set same as like dictionaries, but we don't use key here. Okay, Morgan.
Hmm? So the sets are similar to the dictionaries, but yeah.
But we don't use the key. We only have the value.
I see.
So you can call it the index. You can call it using index. You only call all the items. Okay. This a problem with my connection, Morgan?
No, it's all right, but also, sir, I'm actually kind of curious. Wait, so what
Oh,
did you mean? Like, no, what did you mean? Like, you need to like go around like 9:30 or like 8:30.
yeah, because I forgot to purchase
So,
premium. So I will be back at 9:30. Mine. So you can stay with my link as usual. Only for me. Okay.
oh,
You
okay.
can. Oh, sorry. Okay. What about this? Hmm. I think same remember how to call the item again using the index. We start by zero, right?
Yeah.
For list.
Uh, zero, zero. Yeah, zero. Just starts from zero.
Yeah. Okay. And then for tuples, what's the difference between list and tuples, Morgan? What's the difference between list and tuples?
Pretty sure tuples don't use index
Nah,
and just works normally. I'm not wrong.
you can reassign the tuples data type. You can reassign, you can change, you can update the items in the tuples. Okay. And then for dictionary, I think there's no problem. Okay. Okay, what about list? Add the surname rank to the list.
Well,
Add the surname rank to the list. Wait. Ah, add the surname rank to the list.
returning to the list. To list bag.
Wait. How to add rank here?
So like dictionary name,
No,
dictionary name.
we talk about list, Morgan. We talk about list.
List.
See?
I remember like
Huh?
students. Oh, app
Ah,
students.
students dot append.
Mm,
Okay. And then the item. Fine.
mm.
And then what about this?
Removing. No, yeah,
Removing the item of
removing
students.
the item
Okay. Yeah.
Peterson.
And then what about this?
Mm, finding the name Taylor in the
Ah,
list.
is Taylor in students? It will return true or false. If there is Taylor here, it will return true. And then if there is no Taylor in students, it will return false. Okay.
False.
And then what about the last one?
Mm, Students dot lang.
Sort the list alphabetically.
No, no. Students dot
Yeah, students dot sort. Okay.
dot
Okay,
sort.
students dot
Yeah,
sort.
yeah,
Okay.
dot sort.
What about this? You first string. Okay. And then still remember what split function used for? Split.
Split function to
All right.
I don't
Split
remember the
function.
split function.
All right. Still remember?
Like
Okay.
I don't know,
Let's
split
talk about this. Is it
split.
string or integer? Is it string or
That's
integer?
oh yeah, split allows integer to be written in like string cut.
No. Split
Uh,
function we use for convert from string into list.
oh,
Uh, so it will return like a 5, 4, 3. So remember, it's still string, Morgan. It's still string, not integer. If we want to change it into integer, we use map function.
um,
Still remember or forgot about it?
I kind of forgot.
Okay, it's fine. Right. Okay, tuple, I think, student is an immutable analog of a list. So we can do update, we can do change the item in the tuple. Okay, about dictionary. To create empty dictionary, we use dict here. Empty dictionary. The key value. Okay. What happened if I enter this genre into fairy tale?
If you enter the genre into fairy tale, then recommendation will
Will
print
print.
Knights of the Round Table.
Okay. The next of the round table. Okay. Next part. Sorry. Okay, what about this? What actions do you know how to perform the dictionaries? Determine the line of the dictionary.
Determine determine the like dictionary like
See the keyword.
dictionary
Like,
dictionary name no dictionary
uh-uh.
name then like value no was it key no it was key then like right.
Line. Okay. Get an element from the dictionary by key.
Mm. So dictionary key dot like then
Okay,
later
let's
like
say the dictionary name is books. Okay, so how to get an element from the dictionary by key? Let's say the dictionary name is books.
Books, length, books, right?
Books,
No, books dot length.
key, very
Yeah.
key. Search for a key in the dictionary.
Oh, I thought you were still talking about length in like the element
Hmm.
search for key in dictionary.
Okay.
If
What about this part? Or which number do you still remember, Mugan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which part
I think
that
I
you
think I
still
might
remember?
remember. I think I might remember C. Uh, if so, like, was it like if
Okay.
if
What about this
C
last part?
and dictionary name last
What
part.
about this the last
Uh,
part? Delete a key. Delete a key. What about the last one? Just the last one. Delete a key.
dictionary name. Uh,
Tell
oh yeah, just delete dictionary.
dictionary
Delete.
name and then the key.
Uh,
Ah, okay.
forgot that.
Let's see.
I think if I convert the number C, like, it's, oh, it's just
Okay. Okay, maybe I will send this picture to you. Wait. Okay. I will send it into chat. Okay, so you can remember about this. And then for this part, okay. I will send it to you. Okay. About set. Okay. A set is an unordered set of unique. I think there's no problem. Okay. List. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, Morgan. I think we can start now. But before we go to the task, any questions so far, Morgan? Or
no, nothing.
okay, you can see the chat when you forgot about the code. Okay, let's start. Number 4, data structures. Lesson 4, number 9. Okay, I will stop my screen. You can start to share your screen. Okay. Okay, number 9. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. There are 4 data types: list, tuple, dictionary, and the last one is sets. Tuple. Is it dictionary, Morgan?
Hmm?
Is it dictionary?
Oh wait.
There is no key here, only the value. Ah, okay. This tuple.
This is the trigger.
There is key and value. Okay. A pairs of key and value. Okay. Is it dictionary, Morgan? Tuple dictionary.
Hmm?
Ah, tuple dictionary. Why is not tuple here? Okay. And then a set of key value pairs. Okay. And then unchangeable. 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 Is it list or tuple? Unchangeable.
Changeable. Well, tuple's the
We
one
can
can modify
we
many
can
things.
update the item of the tuple. So it must be tuple.
Oh, so this
We
is
can do update the data of the tuple. Unchangeable. Unordered storage. Unordered. So it must be sets. Okay. Because there is index here. Okay. There's no index. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Good job. Just run the program and study it. Enter the scores separated by a space. Ah, okay. Do you understand what the code used for?
To like find the one specifically for 5.
Yeah. Okay. Count the how many, how much five, how much or how many. Thank
Uh,
you very much. How many
how many
five?
students?
How many five?
How many students are
Yeah.
5?
Okay. Yeah, you can continue to the next level, Morgan. To submit and next level. There are three correct answer, Morgan. There are three correct answer. Actually, there are three correct answer, Morgan. There are three.
What?
Nah.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's correct. Okay. Okay. Enter the last names of the students in a line. In a line. Separated by a space. You need to split the value, Morgan. So you need to dot split. Separated by space. Okay, you can last name equal. You need to write last name equal. Okay, it's fine. Last name dot split. Separated by space. Last name equal last name dot split.
oh,
Ah, okay. Okay, from this line, last name is string, right? From the first line, last name is string, right? And then after we use split function here, it will returns list. So last name now is a list, right? List. Yeah. Okay. You need to sort it first, Morgan. We have Smith, Johnson, Park, but Johnson displayed first. So we need to sort it. How to make it sort? How to sort the data? Yeah, okay, that's right. Don't forget with the parentheses. Yeah, okay, just that. And then print this part first. Class list. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Okay. Then how to call it one by one, Morgan? How to call it one by one? We use looping, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah. How to make it? For I in range. Yeah. The line of last name. Sorry. Uh, don't forget with the colon. Okay. mm, let's print I plus 1 before because we start the index from 0, right? From 0. And then comma minus last name I. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now print this line, Morgan. Total students 3. Based on the line of last name items. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's right. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Is it clear for this part, Morgan?
what?
Let's go back. Let's go back with the task number 4. Okay, what about this part? For line 5 and line number 6. Which part don't understand? Which part you don't understand?
Maybe just number 5.
Okay. For
Katakana.
I
Oh,
in range, land, last name.
mm.
How much the item in the last name, Morgan?
How much? Right in the last name. Uh,
There are three, right?
yeah, three.
Yeah, three. So for I in range, three. This line will repeat three times. Okay. Line number six
Mm.
will repeat three times. But we start
Let's see.
we start the index with zero, not one.
Mm.
Okay. That's why I use I plus one here because the index start with zero.
I see.
Yeah. About about this part, because the list start by zero, I don't need to plus it by one. So I just call I. Okay. Is it clear, Morgan? Okay, let's go to the number five. Oh, I think my Zoom is uh premium now. Okay.
Mm.
Just enter the last name. Hmm. Write the get info function. Okay. You need to dial this symbol. Don't forget to add colon here and delete these three periods. Uh-uh. The colon. Yeah. Okay. you need to move it forward. Okay. Request the input of the name. Some users may accidentally write commas as well. So you need to replace comma with nothing. Okay. Let's write profile. Replace comma with empty symbol. Okay. Hey, where is the close bracket? Where is the yeah? Okay. And then we need to split this profile. How to split it? So remember, we enter like this, Morgan. My math, English. We need to split it. Profile equal
Oh
equal profile dot split. Empty space. We use empty space for the split. Okay. Yeah, that's right. And then we need to sort the data, right? We need to sort the data. Profile dot sort. Okay. And then to sort. You can delete. Yeah. Okay. We need to create a list, Morgan. Empty list. Just make us like, okay, let's say data. Let's create empty list. And then we can store names and profile in data list. Okay. Okay. Let's add names in the data list. How to add names in data list, Morgan?
append.
Ah. Here. The name of the list. Name, append the item. Like this. You can delete it. You can delete. Uh, okay. And then add profile in the data list. Data.append profile. Data.append profile. So we have names profile in data. Okay. Then we can return the data. Return data. Return data. Okay, enter ya. Return data. Ya. Okay. Then for print info, we have students one here. Hey. Can you make it? Can you make it? The function.
All right.
Click this picture first, the small picture first. Okay. Questionnaire. Questionnaire. Questionnaire, last name.
Questionnaire last name. Oh. Oh wait, yeah.
Start. Questionnaire. Yeah. Last name.
Okay. Last name.
Where is the last name? Last name. Where is the last name?
Oh.
You directly write the minus symbol.
Oh yeah, last name.
Okay. We have students parameter. Okay. It's from here. Okay. From we call the get info function. So we have data with names and profile. Sorry. Wait, I can. I think there's problem with my. Okay. We have data. Okay. Names and profile. Okay. When we want to call the names, we use the zero index. Okay. Just write students 0. Last name student 0. without get info. Ah, okay, just that. And then next, okay, profile subjects.
No, actually, I want to look back at the work.
For I in range, so we use len student one. Here. For I in range, len student one. Don't forget with the colon, Morgan.
Oh.
Just print it. Student. Yeah. Let's say we have Peter. Oh, sorry. Let's say we have Peter's math English here. So we have list student like this. Peter, and then math, and then English. We have list inside the list. Okay. So how we call this item, Morgan? How we call this item? Student one, and then I.
Oh.
Is the first index number one, right? Index number one. It's zero index. Is it clear, Morgan? Or you still don't understand?
I think I understand this one. I mean, like,
It's too complicated, I think. But it's okay.
still, yeah.
Just you can delete this column, Morgan. You can delete this column and then make it move forward. Yeah, I think that's enough. You can start to run your program. With input. 14 for I in range. Oh, okay. we forgot to add parentheses here. Huh?
Oh, am I not supposed to have
Why?
a comma here?
Okay. With a comma. Profile. Wait, let's see. Oh, okay. We forgot to add profile here. Profile equal profile dot replace. Ah, okay. What's wrong with this? Let's see. I will check it first. Last name, profile subjects. Split, sort, list, append, return,
Geography.
yes, questionnaire, last name, profile. Oh, we forgot to add profile subject here. Profile subject. Let's see the question again. Let's see the picture again. We forgot to add profile subject. Profile subject. Wait. Profile subjects. I subject. Last name. Last name. We use lowercase here for the last name.
Oh. Okay. Then.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Morgan, I think enough for today. Okay. Okay. Before we end this meet, I will ask you something, Morgan. This is our 16th meet, right? Our 16th meet. I just want to know, do you want to continue your lesson or we stop to here?
I'm pretty sure I'm still continuing.
So you will continue your lesson or we stop to 16?
Continue.
Okay, and then what how I say it? What if your next teacher is not me? Is it okay for you?
Oh, it's alright.
Okay, because I don't know. For the new rules of algorithmics, I I must reduce my teaching schedule because I take too much classes. So I must uh reduce my class. So is it okay if there is the teacher is not me?
It's okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Morgan, for your confirmation. Okay, I
Okay.
think enough for today, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay, Morgan. Bye.